Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we're going to be doing a smoked dish. So we've got some beautiful speckled trout from out on the coast out towards Cape Lookout, and we're actually going to be smoking in our Kamado grill. So we've taken our Carolina Cooker Kamado grill and we put some mesquite chips in there, and it's starting to get a lot of good smoke going on right now. What we're doing is take a little piece of foil and actually put some holes in it, and this is what we're going to put our fish on. So right now the grill's at about 350 to 400 degrees. Before we close this and let this smoke for about 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to put a little bit of our seasoning on top of the fish. All right, so we've taken the fish out of the smoker, and right now we're going to let it cool for a little bit, but while it's cooling, we're going to go ahead and take some forks, and we're going to go ahead and kind of flake it up and get it ready to mix together. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take our picked fish and make sure we got as many of the bones or all the bones out, and put that into our bowl. Next, we're going to add in our whipped cream cheese, put in some mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, some horseradish, about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're also going to go ahead and put in the juice of about half of a lemon. And since I like to kick mine up a little bit more, I'm putting a little bit of the Carolina Cooker hot sauce, and then we're just going to mix this all the way up. So it's another fantastic, easy dish. This is great for entertaining people at the house or just a light snack if you want. And as always, it's great catching fish out on the Carolina coast, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.